Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to send documents to email. First, open your preferred email client like Gmail or Outlook and start a new message. Look for the attachment icon, which usually looks like a paperclip, and click it. This will open a file browser. Navigate to where your document is saved, select it, and then click Open or Attach. It's a straightforward process that takes just a few seconds to get your document ready for sending. Beyond direct attachments, there are other convenient ways to send documents. You can share files directly from cloud storage services such as Google Drive or Dropbox, which is great for very large files, often exceeding 25 megabytes. For physical documents, use a scanner or a mobile scanning app on your phone to convert them into a digital format, typically a PDF, before attaching. For quick notes, simply copy and paste the text into your email. When sending documents, keep a few best practices in mind. Most email providers have a file size limit, usually around 25 megabytes, so compress larger files. Select the right format. PDF is excellent for universal viewing, while DocX is better if the recipient needs to edit. Always double-check the recipient's email address and ensure you've attached the correct document. For sensitive information, consider password protecting the file before attaching it for an extra layer of security. For more advanced sending, consider compressing large files into a zip archive. This not only reduces file size, but also allows you to send several documents as one attachment. For highly sensitive information, add password protection to your document before attaching it. Remember to use features like Send Later if you need to schedule delivery. Finally, always confirm with your recipient that they have received important documents. These tips will help you send documents efficiently and securely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.